Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking exposure and white balance in RAW so you preserve latitude. Pick a neutral skin patch on the cheek or forehead to sample color. Once done, measure that sample in your color panel or vector scope to establish baseline hue and luminance. Make sure to ignore specular highlights and shadows when sampling because they mislead corrections. You want a true midtone read so subsequent adjustments remain natural, and you can proceed to targeted corrections with confidence. You now tackle primary controls. Adjust mids first, because skin lives in the midtones. Nudge gamma toward warm or cool until the vector scope skin line approximates the correct angle. Once done, balance shadows and highlights to keep contrast natural. Avoid clipping in gain and crushing detail in lift. Make sure to monitor RGB parade to preserve even channels. Reduce a dominant channel by small increments rather than large swings. You should see skin chroma fall into a consistent band while retaining texture and depth. You finish by isolating skin with a clean qualifier or HSL key and refine hue, saturation, and luma locally so the rest of the image stays intact. Once done, apply subtle local contrast or micro-sharpening to restore texture without exaggerating pores. Use feathered masks to avoid hard edges. If the skin color shifts or looks painted, make sure to reduce saturation slightly or adjust the hue versus hue curve rather than redoing primaries. Troubleshooting tip: if color banding appears, dither or reduce aggressive curves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.